Controlling access. Access control defines a number of protection schemes that prevent unauthorized access to a computer, network, database, or other data resources. The concepts of AAA involve three security services: authentication, authorization, and accounting. These services provide the primary framework to control access. The first A in AAA represents authentication. Authentication verifies the identity of a user to prevent unauthorized access. Users prove their identity with a username or ID. In addition, users need to verify their identity by providing one of the following as shown in Figure 1. Something they know, such as a password; something they have, such as a token or card; something they are, such as a fingerprint. For example, if you go to an ATM for cash, you need your bank card; something you have, and you need to know the PIN. This is also an example of multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication requires more than one type of authentication. The most popular form of authentication is the use of passwords. Authorization services determine which resources users can access, along with the operations that users can perform, as shown in Figure 2. Some systems accomplish this by using an access control list, or an ACL. An ACL determines whether a user has certain access privileges once the user authenticates. Just because you can log on to the corporate network does not mean that you have permission to use the high-speed color printer. Authorization can also control when the user has access to a specific resource. For example, employees may have access to a sales database during work hours, but the system locks them out after hours. Accounting keeps track of what users do, including what they access, the amount of time they access resources, and any changes made. For example, a bank keeps track of each customer account. An audit of that system can reveal the time and amount of all transactions and the employee or system that executed the transactions. Cybersecurity accounting services work the same way. The system tracks each data transaction and provides auditing results. An administrator can set up computer policies as shown in Figure 3 to enable system auditing. The concept of AAA is similar to using a credit card, as indicated by Figure 4. The credit card identifies who can use it, how much that user can spend, and accounts for items or services the user purchased. Cybersecurity accounting tracks and monitors in real time. Websites, like Norse, show attacks in real time based on data collected as part of an accounting or tracking system. Click link in the description to visit the Norse real-time tracking website.